Hi, Steve. So recently I moved here from Ohio for grad school, and with that, I got 3 new roommates. And the 4 of us live in this really small apartment, and recently, a few roommates and I have been hearing some sexually charged moans coming from one of the rooms. And we've discovered it's actually one of our roommates doing this in her sleep. And so we don't really know how to address this, so how do I tell her without embarrassing her?
Hey, you making sex noises.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're just gonna have to bring it up. This all the time?
not all the time, just lately. Just,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
I try to find out what the dream was about so I can have one, cause you ever had that dream something really good about to happen to you and you wake up and you go, damn, and then you try to go back to sleep? You ever did that? Okay, cool, I ain't the only one. You all ever taped her?
No.
That'd be really good. That would be good. Then tape it and put it on Facebook. That's all I know.
Thank you.
Folks, welcome. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click here to subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss a single hot new video, some really good stuff. And then I want you to click here to see more clips from the show right now.